Toyin. Okay. You are really right. Our distinguished guests and gentlemen, I would like to let you know she's in the building. World famous Nigerian actress, Mrs. Toyin Ajayemi. Oh God! I swear to God, Auntie, my mom. I told you. Mo eti mo no last week wow. Those for the top. Don't know. Farm. Put me thorough. Me thorough with the play the finish. So ladies and gentlemen, like I said earlier, my life partner been doing wonderful job. Afro music, Afro Sonic Band, you guys are wonderful. Before leaving this podium, I will make sure I do something for you guys. Alright, my people, I love everybody. We're actually here to, life after death is not that easy. A lot of people don't reach this particular age, They die rubbish. But I'm telling you, ladies and gentlemen, my man died in a peaceful way. Don't be saying, hello, Nkechi. Hello, Nkechi. I want to post this one for Instagram. Is the mommy sick? She gets stroke? She gets breast cancer? Oh my God. I swear to God, Nkechi Ikuto died on Shage on Shikoko. I swear to God. My first time meeting Nkechi, oh God damn it. Iyamo enjoying. One of me lounging. I swear to God, that was the day Terry G is doing Terry G and House of Danger. This is not comedy, it's real. That was the time we are looking for fame in Abule Egba City. You know me? So I was not told that, Ben Suji, you are wasting your time here. Go to Pere Ballers. Ballers don't the name Ballers don't they take it. Go to Pere, business people, ballers, entertainers. Okay, on that day, I dressed up. Best of my way, I put on. As I walk enter, if you see the way Nkechi beat me, she beat me. You know the year word. Are you invited? I say, mommy, auntie Nkechi came to my rescue. And mommy, don't you know him? He's an upcoming MC. Hey, sorry, my son. I think they don't call you before. I'm telling you. So Nkechi did a lot of wonderful job in Abule Egba. It's not easy. Abule Egba was so dark in entertainment then. I'm telling you. So not until we are hearing that song, you are welcome to Bere. Everybody, Bere. I spent money. Why is he watching? Hello. I said I spent money on you. I'm a doubt me now. For once, be serious. Oh no. If I talk to one show, I'm going to tell you what's going on. Oh no. So, ladies and gentlemen, at the time, I will still call a lot of some people right here for talking about the mother of Nkechi. Who is Nkechi? Where is she from? I get some people here that will say something. We call this life after death, So right about now, I do tell people, not what you are doing right now is when you are no more. So if you are doing something now, you think you are doing well. Until you die, you know the people. I'm telling you. Not when you are living, you ball, you do whatever. Sorry, who is the owner of this number? The number goes BDG 145CN. Please, your attention is needed, please. And I would like to acknowledge Oka's concept. Tibati acknowledging CEO Emma Woju mi Torobo. Sorry. That is my chairman. I love him. Billionaire. You know the too much talk. The CEO, Okas Concept, which Nkechi is one of the ambassador. Okas. Alpha. Higher side. In case you want to redeem your card, name it. They are here. Oba, TJ. Ambassador, you should go. Just give me one. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, where is DJ Camo? Where is DJ Camo? Please help me call DJ Camo. So we start it officially with that song. DJ. DJ Wola. Oh, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. My name is African Pensuji. I will be your captain of this event. We are so rest in perfect peace. Yankechi. Life after that, you know, it's not easy. Nkechi, I beg my man, make Nkechi the look me. DJ Wola. Before we call anybody on this podium to say something about the late, I particularly you say something. Nkechi, do you see my alert? Do you see it? I'm telling you, it's good to have a good boss. Tony Abraham, a good boss lady. Tony, I'm talking to you. We are colleagues now. I'm talking to you. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, in Yoruba adage, Chiobaku at the age of 60 years, Yankechi tried, you know, in the whole of Abulegba land. I don't know Abulegba before when I came back to Nigeria. You know, all my life in Ireland, Lekki, Ewolopo. I don't know why you Nigerians hardly believe someone. Only most in Nigeria local. Making Shako, I'm a kind of person, very good person. I'm not in Nigeria quite a while, you know. So when I came back to Nigeria, all my lifestyle was an island. So there was one particular day, I've been hearing that song. You are welcome to Bereo. Everybody, Bere City, Shena, Yangedi. So I thought that lounge was a big lounge. Not until when I came to Abulegba, where is Bere City? My people. Oh, where is Bere City, Dondo? What a bear social club, man. I'm telling you, now only Nigeria, if you won't give address, I don't think who don't travel for you before. Let's be real, who don't travel a local man, you never travel before, come on. Who don't travel before? Shit. So everybody think, God damn it. You see, if you go London, if you want to see anybody, let's say, for instance, you miss road. If you see any girl like, hey, sorry, I am going down to go in Manchester. See the way they direct you. Oh, yeah, you know what? You track down a little bit, you know. My left hand side, that's where Kuru. My brother, come Nigeria. If you miss road, maybe sun don't hit the guy finish. Hello, bro, kilo day. No, calm down. Address him, Lord. You go like, it's a leja. Lagege Adi. Sherry, straight. Hey, good on ya, straight. But I'm telling you, when you go that straight, hello, bro, I'm going to Salage Lagege. You don't make the mistake. You go back again. Straight. Alaja, you don't explain that before, yeah. But you don't travel. Never travel. Go. For the first say you don't lie, you go travel. You go out there put on a travel. You long in a travel. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I see my boss. In the old Nigerian industry, there are some actresses, when they call me your microphone, I don't ask how much you won't give me. Ladies and gentlemen, just to let you know, boss, lady, a round of applause as I mention her name. Iyabo Ojo! More than clap now. I love her. She know my words. Pencil G, come down to my lounge. I know how much I will collect. There is one particular person again, very playful. And you're not going to say, it can pay you. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to mention my sister. Even though you don't give money once time like that, now once you don't give money before, and I know you are very freaking type. Ladies and gentlemen, look over acknowledging.